Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, The Craftessa. I am Vanessa, and on today's DIY video, we're going to create this adorable gingerbread house using a dollhouse from the Dollar Tree, along with some paints from Plaid Crafts. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, where I post super quick and easy DIYs. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos here on my YouTube channel. Now let's get on with today's project. So I'm going to use two of the Dollar Tree doll houses, and I'm going to paint them with the Folk Art chalk paint in Pleasant Pink. I am hand painting them because this is the color that I wanted, and chalk paint is quite easy to adhere to plastic, and I absolutely love this chalk paint. So I'm going to give both of the houses, I'm using two of them. You only see one here because I'm only starting with one first. I'm going to give both of the houses 2 coats of the paint in order to cover everything. So let's continue with this. Now that both of the houses are dry, I'm going to use the Delta Ceram Coat in a metallic gold finish. It's an acrylic paint. I will post the link to this paint and to the chalk paint in the comment box below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this paint and I'm going to paint all of the details in the gold. I'm going to paint some of the bricks on the roof. I'm going to do the outlines on the windows in order to give it a little pop. So let's continue with this. So now that I finished painting all the details on the house and it's dry, and I absolutely love the way that it's looking so far, I'm going to attach these two pieces together. Now these houses have hinges on them, so I'm going to attach them with their hinges, and then I'm going to secure it with hot glue on the top on the roof. And if the hot glue shows, which it's going to, eventually I will cover it with some puffy paint. So let's continue getting this house together. So the next step, I'm going to take this wooden plank, it's from the Dollar Tree in the Crafter Square section, along with Mod Podge and the faux snow, which is also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this as a base for the house. I'm going to give it a couple of coats of Mod Podge, and then I'm going to add the snow. This way it will hold, and once that is dry, I'm going to hot glue the house onto this base. So let's continue with this step. While I wait for the Mod Podge to dry with the fake snow, I'm going to use the same ceramic coat metallic gold paint, and I'm going to paint one of these wooden snowflakes. These are also from the Dollar Tree, and you can find them in the Crafter Square section, or you can find them where they have the craft supplies for Christmas. I'm going to paint it with this gold color, and then I'm going to hot glue it to the roof of the house. So let's finish this part. The next thing I'm going to do now is to attach the house to the base. The Mod Podge has dried and cured. Now I'm going to add a generous amount of hot glue and I'm going to glue it on top of the wood plank. So let's continue with this. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this little tree. It is also from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a pack of 6, I think, and I'm going to hot glue it to the front on the wooden plank to give it a little extra something. Now, after this, what I did, I took white puffy paint and I camouflaged all of the top seams and the side seams. I unfortunately forgot to videotape that part, but you will see in the next few clips what it's going to look like. So what I used the puffy white paint in order to give it that faux icing look, as you can see in the video above. And now this project is done and it's ready to display. I do love how this turned out and it was not difficult at all. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.